Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of a circle. First, we will explain the formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find circular shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. A circle is a geometric shape that includes all points in a plane that are at an equal distance from a given point called the center. The distance from the center of the circle to its boundary is called the radius. A circle also includes the interior region bounded by the circumference. A circumference is the set of all points in a plane that are at an equal distance from a given point, the center of the circumference. This distance is called the radius of the circumference. Unlike a circumference does not include the interior area, it is just the boundary line. We can find circles in many places in our daily lives. For example, in architecture, domes and arches often use circular shapes for their aesthetic appeal. In art, many artworks and decorations contain circular shapes. In nature, fruits, flowers, and various celestial bodies like the sun and moon are circular. The circumference, perimeter, of a circle can be calculated using the radius, r, or the diameter, d, of the circle. The formulas are: the area, A, of a circle can be calculated using the radius, r, of the circle. The formula is Now, let's show how to calculate the circumference and area of a specific circle. Radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. First, we calculate the circumference. And now we calculate the circle area. For an accurate calculation of the circumference and area of a circle using the radius, use the calculator on the website www.formiax.com or click the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the circumference and area of a circle. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.